Check it out. This coming out the 405. This is straight new lyrics. Check them out. Memories fill my head like old movies. My energy just be so groovy. This is the game we play, so listen as the AK spray. Cause I'm still wishing for the same old thing. Remember, no game with no pain. So I watch and I learn. Living top notch is a burn. So this is my life written down in a song. This is my night, I ain't quitting you wrong. So I will keep writing. I'm forever with this shit as I'm fighting. Life is long road, so I keep driving. My mic is not old, so I keep styling. I'm bright and I'm so bold and I'm wildin', so I keep riding. As a creep I'm smiling. I never sleep, you dying. Too many things I see, but nothing changes me. Nothing changes the G, not even the family filled with vanity. And I know they can't stand me, and they glad to see what I've had to be. They mad at me, I'm so free, moving slowly. I cover up my eyes and shut my mouth. I discover all the lies from down south. The beasts, the G's, the thieves, everybody on their knees. So free, so I keep riding, I keep rhythm. Seek your heart like venom, make my mark as I hit him. The top of the chart and then some. Yeah, I got 10 guns, and then some. I invent some, cause you been done. But I will write more than the last time. I will be hardcore with this fast rhyme. Every piece of information that I write, I make it rhyme twice. Pack that 9 times twice. Vice to every single Kris Kringle. Santa Claus is an idol unless he give money to the Bible. Give money, take money, hold money, blow money, and your whole show still be ugly and unlucky, and your chick still wanna fuck me. I'm first one to speak, but don't bet that I'm meek. I never regret, I'm not discreet. Heaven knows I sweat around this heat. I need to listen to my mystery mission. Cooking history's kitchen, let it all come out. I will stop nothing. I got what's hot in the shop, the oven, straight from the ground. I'm great every sound. You just hate because you around. My head hurts from the lyrics that shred this verse. Give me head and give me purse. From this curse, it's red as it hurts. I deal what works, cause I kill jerks. I speak until I sleep, cut you up like the kitchen sink. My soul is trapped, my goal is rap, cause I sold the map. Yeah, I listen to many beats I listen to closely. I heard you rap supposedly, you just oppose it, G. Yet I see another day, I'm in debt as I sweat and I pray. I know you're right till you're written out, but fuck it, bitch, I'll stick it out. I always write new lyrics, put me up in the hallways to hear it. Everywhere, I'm everywhere, but now they want too many places. See, filled with cunts, kill this funk. I will pop trunk, hip hop crunk, rob a quick stop for a blunt. I see you try just as hard as me, but no one's hard as me. I'm the hardest G, no one's got the heart of me. It's just part of me, what I live to be. I couldn't give it free. I will fuck you up for a century, lock me up eternally and throw the way a key. Yeah.